Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to remove background from a photo on iPhone. So right now I'll show you the easiest way to easily remove any photo background without downloading any app. First of all, make sure to update your iOS version. So right now I'm using iOS 17. Now go to your Photos app and just open the photo. And now you have to hard press on your photo object, and now here you will see your photo object has been successfully selected. And now you have to tap on the share icon, and here you can directly share the background removed photo via WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat. And to save the image, just tap on save image. And now here, as you can see, the photo background has been successfully removed. And another option to remove photo, you have to open your Files app. In your Files app, just search for the photo you want to remove background, and okay, maybe this photo. So all you have to need in your Files app, you have to search for the photo you want to remove background for. Now hard press on the photo and just tap on quick actions and tap on remove background, and the photo background will be removed, as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.